Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Cheif Architect tutorial how to break wall. So for example, I will create walls with these tools. Okay, you can create a basic wall. And the next, if you want to break these walls, we can use the break tool. You can select the wall object and then click these icons at break. Like I will click at these points to break this wall. Now you can click to move, like to drag here. It will be see the break in this wall. I will select again this wall and then choose the break tools. Click at this point. And the next you can move like to drag here to create the break icon. You also can add new walls by clicking at these icons, move to the top here, and move into here. Okay, that's it for a basic Cheif Architect tutorial, how to break wall. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.